Hey folks, good morning. Welcome back to Richard's Travel Channel. Today we are in Ocean City, Maryland, and I'm going to give you a pretty full tour of the Quality Inn Boardwalk. Before I come in here, I wasn't really seeing any legitimate or interesting videos on this place, so I'll give this a try. Let's start here with it's kind of a show of where we are here. So we're about midway down the boardwalk at this hotel on Baltimore Avenue. So this is a pretty quiet street, so no real big deal kind of pulling in and out. You do have, which is a nice bonus, a Starbucks. Sorry for the wind. Starbucks here, right next to, actually attached to the hotel. It gets super busy, but it's very early now. It's not busy now, but at 9 o'clock you'll get quite the line upstairs. So, but literally 10 seconds away, which is nice. Gonna head here and head in here in a second. There is overflow parking across the street. Parking here has been pretty full, but I've always found a spot in the main parking. And we are here very late, well, last week of June, so it seems to be busy, but most of the restaurants and attractions we've been going to, people have been saying, the workers have been saying it's pretty slow, so I guess this parking would be even more full normally. All right, let's walk in. So right here you have the lobby. So it's a pretty small lobby for a big hotel. I guess during peak check-in time it would get pretty busy. We have an ATM here if you'd like. Very small business center, but they have one. I've not tried. I don't know if the computer works, but there you go. It's a quick scan of what you see when you walk in. A little sitting area here. And then to the right we have our first pool, which is the indoor one. So it's a pool and a jacuzzi. So we have not been in here at all, but this would be nice in the colder months, I suppose. And it does have the latest hours, so it goes from 10 in the morning till midnight. Look at my skylight. So there you go. Over here you have a coffee machine. It's actually open 24/7. They do not have the complimentary breakfast here. Now if you walk out here, basically there's two towers attached to each other. So if you walk out here, you kind of go towards Tower 1, which is 5 floors. Here we have the elevators. So 2 elevators. We've waited a little bit, and they're a little finicky as well, but we've made it to our room every time. And also, yeah, ice maker right here by the first floor elevators. The other ice makers that I've seen have not been working. So as I'm doing this here, I do invite you to like the video and subscribe. Just getting started off here on this channel, but we'll constantly be adding some various content. So If you could, that'd be super appreciated. The restrooms here. And here we see Coastal Salt, which is a restaurant that's attached to the hotel, which actually has a great reputation. I didn't eat there, but it's very highly rated on TripAdvisor. Now there's a fitness center down this hall that I was gonna come and see, but I can't really see where it is. So by the pictures I saw, it's like a super small few machines, and that's it. List of pamphlets here. I do suggest you do get one of these books here because there's coupons for mini putt and free appetizers, stuff like that. So not huge savings, but better than nothing. Over here they do have full gamut of little carts to bring up to your room. A couple of vending machines. And then we walk out. Oh, it's raining. All right. Well, we're gonna wait a bit here, and I'll come back and do the pools in a few minutes. All right, the rain has subsided, and let's keep going on the tour here. Let's do the outdoor pools and spaces. So 2 pools here. First off, I guess this would be called more the adult pool. I didn't spend a lot of time here, but 20 chairs, I guess, 25 chairs. Pool and the hotel, I'd say, are pretty clean. I mean, as you'll notice in all parts of the video, I mean, it's not a very modern hotel, but you know, overall they've kept the place pretty clean here. I'm always seeing people in the pool or down the halls doing some cleanup, so voila. There's pool number 1. Let's see if I can figure things out. And voila. Okay, I'm free. We'll walk over to the other pool. So we're right up there where the green towel is. So, and I'll give you a room tour in a bit here. These would be cool rooms, actually, right by the pool. You don't really get a hotel or a, sorry, you don't really get a beach view. There's pool number 2. Does have a 0 entry. It's a little bigger, but again, more kid-oriented. You do have direct access here to their little rum bar, which I'll walk over to in a second. All right, magic button. I'm not really sure when these pools open or close, to be honest, but anywho. And here we have their rum shack. Had a few drinks here, didn't spend too much time, but always have some okay music playing. Prices are pretty decent. Ocean City Rum Shack. I'll do a quick walk out here. The biggest advantage is, of course, the ocean. It's right there. beach closer to the boardwalk, which is that way, I guess. A little busier, but here it's really been zero problem getting a spot right by the water. Really good, great beach, like so clean. No garbage at all anywhere. Well maintained. It's been pretty choppy, so I don't know if it's like that all the time here, but you know, and we're here late June, so the water's still pretty chilly, but great spot for sure. So just until it's in its entirety. This again is the second tower. It's really sandwiched between the Hyde Place, there's a courtyard, and it's a super big Holiday Inn. Now I know the prices here are pretty insanely high. I'm fortunate to have points and paid Choice Hotel with points. It's a reasonable amount of points. The Holiday Inn is ridiculously high in points, but I guess that has to do with the pricing of the hotels here. So we're pretty much middle of Boardwalk at this the Quality Inn. It's about a 30-minute walk to the main part of the boardwalk. And here we have Coastal Salt. Again, the hotel's main restaurant, which we did not eat at. We were going to, but 5 nights to go by very quickly. There you have it. So that's for the hotel itself, and I'll jump into the room tour here in a few minutes. Okay, we're back, and it's time for the room tour here at the Quality Inn Boardwalk. So we are in room 514, which is an ocean view with balcony with 2 queen beds and a kitchen. So let's check it out. Now this is the day we are leaving, so it's a bit messy. Okay, first off, washroom. So I mean, this is kind of where you see that it's a pretty non-renovated hotel, but you know, still super clean when we got here. So everything worked in here. Toilet flushed okay. There's good pressure in the shower. Okay, next up is the kitchen area, which came in super handy. So it's a full-size fridge, which also worked perfectly. A microwave, small oven, 4-range, and dishwasher. So you do, they're all in the dishwasher, but you have all your cupboard space here, and there's stuff for 4 people, basically. This side you have a crappy coffee maker, toaster, a little table. If you want to do a breakfast nook here, you could do that. So yeah, I mean, the kitchens come in super handy for us, I have to say. We've had breakfast and most of our lunches here, so good way to save a bit of coin. All right, and there's 2 queen beds. The beds are comfy, not super duper the best mattress in the world, but no issues. So safe. Have your closet, extra blankies, full length mirror. Hello. Lots of drawer space, so that's good. But again, just some pretty old style furniture, but does the job, I guess. Then another drawer here, lamp. A lot of the outlets on the lamps are not working. As you can see, they're pretty old, so. All right, come over here. So this is a pull-out, so technically you could be 6 people in here. Not sure you'd ever want to do that, but you know, if you have a family, you can be up to 6 people. I mean, we did not pull out the pull-out bed, so I don't know what it's looked like. But door here, TV, lots of channels. So again, with, you know, 6 there, 3 here, lots of space to put everything. And of course, a great part is the ocean view and the balcony. So there's a cool little table here. So I guess the way it's set up, you're maximizing space. And you can have 4 people out here, no problem, if you bring some extra chairs out, which is nice. Of course, being that it's the Atlantic, sunrise is here. Right on the boardwalk, ocean. So yeah, great spot. So overall, I mean, our stay's been great here. Again, the hotel is definitely not a modern spot like some of the new builds here are doing on the strip, but it was clean, it was comfortable. Location was fantastic. Again, I paid with points. I'd be pretty disappointed if I had to pay top dollar here, but I paid with points, so not as much of an impact. But I'd still absolutely recommend this place and absolutely recommend Ocean City as a visiting spot. Thank you.